How to make a protein shake. This recipe is quick and super easy to follow. Anyone will be able to make it with ease. In a large blender, add half a cup of ice. Then add 1/3 cup of the following ingredients: protein powder, blackberries, raspberries, banana, frozen blueberries, cashews, peanuts, almonds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, shredded coconut, yogurt, peanut butter, coconut milk, water, flax seeds, kiwi fruit, spinach. Put all the ingredients in the blender, it's time to mix it all up. Once it's all thoroughly mixed together, it's time to serve it. Place down a glass. Slowly pour the mixture into the glass. Garnish with blueberries. Yummy! That looks really good. Place a straw into the protein shake. Enjoy! I highly recommend you try this recipe. This protein shake, it's delicious. I rate it 10 out of 10. You will love it. It tastes really good. It doesn't taste like Try it for yourself. I wouldn't know if I were you. It tastes like This is my favorite drink to drink.